Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is UdokaJane. I'm a Texas content creator based in Dallas, Texas, guys. So this video right here is the most requested video of the year 2021, and here it is, guys, I know you guys have been like, I want to see your space, I want to see where you live. I know my place is fine, I know that one for sure. So I take my time to give you guys a proper tour of what my living space looks like. So here we go. So when you come into my living space, the first thing you're going to see is this stairways leading upstairs. Upstairs is where I have everything. So this is sort of a townhome-ish, but not really. By the left here is going to be the door leading to my garage. So I got these beautiful home decors from Burlington. I really do like them. I think I still have more work to do on these decors I got from Burlington. Moving forward, I got these wall decors from an Instagram vendor, which I really do like, and also got some of them also from Burlington. So this is another thing you're going to see. It's right opposite the door. My friend gifted me this flower when I went to Houston. She said, you're a YouTuber, use it as a backdrop. I'm like, oh, thank you. Friends supporting friends, women supporting women. This is just something, the thumbs up. I think I like this. I thought it was cute, so I picked it up from, I don't know, what store did I buy this from? I can't remember the store I got it from. I just thought this was cute and I came home with it. And this plant, okay, I see the price yet. I got this fake flower of Burlington also. I'm a big customer with Burlington. Burlington, you guys need to sponsor me. I got almost the things I used to decorate my house from you people. So I got this off Burlington also. I think I got this. The price tag is still here, guys. I didn't even take out the price tag. I got it for $34.99. So this is really beautiful. It's also a fake plant, and I felt it's going to give my room some shape I'm going to like. So here it is, guys. And for this is Santorina, Greece, is that how they say it? This looks so beautiful. I hope to visit here someday, sometime. I don't know when, but I hope to visit. I believe I'm going to visit Santorina, Greece. Guys, this is the connecting stairways leading upstairs to my living room. I know there are too many stairs in this house, but that's just the beauty of the house. I think that is one of the things I love about this, my living space. So right here, taking you upstairs to my living room, and right opposite this place is some sort of open roof thing. I don't know how to describe it, but this makes my house really beautiful. This thing is what you're going to see, like when you come into the house and you look upstairs, this is what you're going to see basically, and I really do like this. It just makes the house so, bougie, fun, relaxing, comfortable, and whatnot. Okay guys, so this is the entrance also to my living room, and that right up there says, sometimes your only available transportation is a leap of faith. This is just something I really like to read every morning when I wake up or when I'm stepping out of the house. I look at it and I just encourage myself to keep me going for the day. So guys, this is my living room. Right there is the door leading to the patio. I don't really want to show you guys the patio because I didn't really do nothing to the patio. My living room is quite small. This space is not really a very big space, and I think I like it that way though. Tell me what I need to know and stop the charade. Yeah, yeah. Let's stop this charade.
mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed?
This place is on the stairs right here. This is my dining area, guys. Yeah, I was inspired to decorate my dining like this from Pinterest. Pinterest is somewhere that I took a lot of ideas on how to decorate here, because I'm really bad with decoration. Like I said earlier, I was really confused on what to do and what not to do. So I went on Pinterest and I saw some dining decor ideas, living room decor ideas, especially for small space like this. And I came up with this, and I think I'm pretty much impressed. I don't have so much going on here.
To what we want, to what we want.
Guys, right here is my kitchen. My kitchen is square, even though I don't like to cook a lot, you know. So the kitchen came with a full-size refrigerator. The kitchen has a washer and dryer. The stove is electric stove, and I use electricity, I don't use gas. I like it because it's also a black appliance kitchen. So I'm not a dirty person, but sometimes when you don't feel like cleaning something, it's not even going to be that obvious because it's a black appliance kitchen.
We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want to what we want, to what we want, to what we want.
This is my stairway, guys. I know there's a lot of stairs here. This stairs is connecting the dining, the kitchen, and my study, which is going to lead to my bedroom, my bathroom, and my closet. So let's go. So this is my study, also known as my office or filming area. This is the place where I do all my YouTube blah 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 if that makes any sense to you guys. So this is where I do my YouTube thing. I have a mirror right here, and this is my YouTube background. I'm sure that some of you that have been watching my YouTube are already familiar with this background. And by my right here is a shelf where I store books, some important documents, some things I need to be able to reach quickly. This is where I keep them. I just have some books I used to read. I'm not a big book person, but I try my best to read. So these are some of the books. I've read some, I haven't read some. So these are where I store them. And this is my filming light right here. I use these 3 lights to film. I really do like these lights, but I think it's time for me to upgrade my lighting. Take these ones out and put a new one that is not going to take a lot of space like these lights are taking space. And right here, I have a lot of wire things going on right here, and I hope to be able to fix them. For me to be able to get rid of these wires, I have to change this light. I need the small is it called the LCD? This is not the LCD light. I don't know what it's called, but I need the smaller lights that can also serve me this purpose. These lights are serving me, but in a more comfortable way, and it won't take a lot of space. Here is my bathroom, guys. This bathroom is my least favorite thing in this house. I don't like my bathroom. I'm managing this bathroom, guys. I don't like this bathroom, so I'm not going to show you guys this bathroom. And right behind me is my bedroom. Let's go to my bedroom. This is my bedroom, and right here is my closet. My closet is sort of small. I have two closets, one big closet and one small closet. I think the small one is a shoe closet, while the big one is like my wares, where I keep my wares. Guys, this is my mattress. It's a queen size mattress, very sizable, cute. It's so comfortable to be on this bed. Honestly, whenever I'm on this bed, oh my gosh, you shouldn't even call my phone because I'm not gonna pick. I'll be far asleep, guys. This is my rack where I keep my things. It's so easy for me to pick up my 90 whenever I'm going to bed, and when I wake up it's so easy for me to hang it there. So I just put things that I don't want to be going to the closet to pick all the time, but I do need them. As you can see, this bedroom is sort of empty. It's not a lot going on here because I don't want to unpack things in this bedroom. I like my space here. I like it to be big. I like to be free, move around, do what I want to do. I don't like all these dressers and all of that because I mean it just makes the room clusters, and I don't want that. So I like this space here, and I don't have a lot of wall decoration, just a little bit over here. I just want something simple. I like empty rooms like this. I don't want a lot of things going on in my bedroom. So guys, here comes the end of this house tour. I hope you enjoyed this. You all that has been asking to see my space, to see where I live. I hope you enjoyed the things I showed you. Feel free to steal my ideas and put in your apartments, guys. Feel free. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.